Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by minimizing infection risk. Wash hands and cleanse the wart area thoroughly with soap and 70% alcohol. Once done, set out sterile scissors, a short length of fine nylon thread, and antiseptic. Position a small cotton pad beneath the skin fold. You form a snug loop under the wart space and pull it tight to seat the thread. This reduces blood flow and isolates the lesion. Make sure you're not doing this on the face, genitals, or if you have diabetes. Now secure the thread with a firm double knot. Trim excess, but leave a small tail so you can adjust if needed. Once tied, you'll monitor the area closely. Look for darkening or shrinking of the wart as blood supply is cut off. Make sure to keep the site clean and dry and change a light dressing daily. If you experience heavy bleeding, intense pain, spreading redness, or fever, loosen and remove the thread and seek medical help. This method works by ischemia to loosen the lesion. To finish, check the wart after several days. If it has darkened and is separating, carefully cut and remove the thread, cleanse the area, and apply antiseptic ointment and a sterile bandage. Once softened, you may gently remove loosened tissue with clean tools, but do not force removal. If the wart doesn't respond after a healing cycle, you can repeat cautiously or consult a clinician. Most importantly, if you see pus, spreading redness, uncontrolled pain, or you have an underlying condition, stop and get medical care immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.